Hi, Jeremy from Rapido Trains. How you doing? Good. Listen, in my relatively short time here at Rapido, I've noticed that there's a few questions that come in from you, the people, on a regular basis. Questions like, when are you going to do a GO Transit GP40 TC? Or why aren't you doing the M420 in BC rail colors? Or how can Jason be so cool? These I cannot answer, but as a warranty repair guy, there is one question that hits me where I live, and that is, how do you take apart an RS-18? Well, my friends, today is your lucky day because I'm going to show you how to get her done. So maybe you want to add a decoder or upgrade the existing one. Maybe you want to put in a keep alive capacitor. Maybe you need a secret place to stash the plans for the Death Star. It's all good, we don't judge, but I'm going to show you how to take apart your baby in the most painless way possible. But first, you're going to need some tools. I'm just kidding. All you'll need are a couple of small flathead screwdrivers. Wrap some electrical tape around the end of one, leaving a little bit of the tip exposed. Also a hobby knife, tweezers, and needle nose pliers. Carefully pull the handrails out of the cab. Gently pull up any stanchions that are connected to the short hood. Now there are a few different flavors of RS-18s and RS-11s, each with a slightly different configuration. Tempo units have additional handrails and stanchions on the front end that need to be loosened like so. CP units have a different style of stanchion that are more easily pried up with a hobby knife. There are also additional stanchions behind the cab that need to come up. Same with the RS-11s. From here on out, the process is the same for all RS-18s and 11s. To remove the cab, locate the two tabs underneath and push them through. Gently pull up on the cab while wiggling it back and forth. You may need to push it up a bit more if it's really snug. For the short hood, insert a screwdriver between the shell and the frame and slowly twist until you feel it give. You'll hear a slight snapping sound as the glue bond is broken. Some units may have more glue than others, so it might take a bit more work. Gently pull up the short hood, making sure not to catch the railings. To remove the long hood, you'll find two clips above the rear truck. This one's hard to see, but it's there. Firmly holding the frame, use the screwdriver to loosen the clips and push them through. You'll hear a satisfying click when they disengage. The rear end of the hood should have a gap like this. Using the screwdriver with the tape to avoid chipping the paint, gently start prying up the hood, working your way towards the front. Pry the front tabs away from the frame and gently pull them up with your pliers, just enough to loosen the cab interior. Pull up the rest of the hood like so. Now you'll have full access to all the glorious innards. So there you have it. To put it back together, you just follow the steps in reverse. Easy peasy. Wait, you want me to show you how to do it? Fine. Put the long hood back on and carefully push it down until everything clicks into place. Squeeze the two tabs at the front together, making sure that they lock onto the small clips on the frame. Put the short hood back on, taking care not to crush the handrails. Reattach the cab by pushing it straight down until the tabs lock. Be careful not to catch the horn. Reattach all stanchions and handrails. Some paint touch-ups might be necessary. And there we go. So I hope you found this video informative and easy to follow, and I hope it's taken the fear out of opening one of these bad boys up. I'm reminded of an old proverb. You give a man an open RS-18, he's got an open RS-18 for a day. You teach a man how to open an RS-18, he's got open RS-18s for a lifetime. Words to live by. On that note, happy modeling, and may the force live long and prosper.